everyone. Fish for You, my cookbook celebrating fish and seafood, is here. Maybe you have it. It's on the shelves. You can get it right now. To celebrate, look at this picture. This beautiful flaky salmon with this herby crust is delicious. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that just make you say, This is a household favorite at my house. That's why I put it in the book, because it's delicious, simple. Tuesday night, you're looking for something easy. No brainer. Check this out. Nice piece of salmon. This kind of is designed to serve the whole family, whether it's sockeye, whether it's Atlantic, whether it's steelhead. You want it nice and fresh and a good size to feed the crew. So this is what I have. So parsley and garlic is chopped up, but this is the really easy part. I mix the two together as I'm going. Just get them blended together. This is kind of the fun part. There's no rules here. I just want to give the parsley and the garlic a nice chop. Garlic, meat, parsley, they love each other. And then this is super simple. So get some lemon, a microplane, and just wash it. It's just zest it. Zest is so fragrant. It's super delicious. You want to peel that lemon till it looks naked, smack it down, but then bring the lemon peel into the parsley and garlic and just give it a nice chop. As soon as you smell those three things together, woo! Your taste buds are gonna go, we eating soon? Tell me we're eating soon. You putting something in or we eating soon? It smells so good. And then for the fish, this is your chance to give it the real flavor. Honestly, is that little sprinkling of salt. Get some on the belly, get some over all the top of the thick parts, all the way down to the tail. Don't be shy on the seasoning. And then, easy peasy, get that herb mix on there. Just sprinkle it. I know you see whole lemon slices on the fish from time to time. Not a big fan. Lots of the lemon is really bitter, like the seeds and the white part, but the zest and the juice is where that big, fresh lemon flavor comes from. So just use the zest. It won't be bitter. It'll be straight up bona fide, 100% delicious. So just spread out those herbs on top. And even if some hit the sides of the pan, that's great. They're gonna crisp up, super delish. And then to finish it, a couple slices of butter, some panko. Boom, she's ready for the oven that fast. Use the fresh herb, lots of lemon, lots of garlic. Feeds the whole family, 400 degrees. This is called more of a soft bake. Putting it in at 400 degrees and not searing it. You just wanna let it gently cook. And it's gonna drink up all the flavor, the garlic and the lemon. Wait till you see when it comes out. How fast was that? Chop up some herbs, get it on your fish. Your family's gonna smile and thank you for it. Wait till you see it. Oh, that smell. It really never gets old. Check it out. Oh, it's beautiful. When you see the breadcrumbs get nice and toasty, that's a good sign of great things to come. The butter's melted. It's amazing. Look at the fat coming out of the fish. This is how I like my fish. Just take a fork. It should just fall apart like that. Be a little medium in the middle. Just pull it back. Check this out. That flakiness right there. The juiciness is still there. It's piping hot. This is how I like to eat my salmon. The great thing about fish, you don't have to let it rest. When it's hot, eat it. This is a family favorite at our house for good reasons. It's got a ton of flavor. You can taste the beautiful fish. It's quick. I love it. The salt on the filet is key, but it's so great and it's so traditional. Lemon, parsley, garlic, a little bit of love, soft bake it, something truly wonderful comes out. Look at this fish. Look at that. Fish for You, available now wherever you like to get your books. This salmon is in this book. It's one of our favorite recipes to make during the week at home. I think you guys are gonna love it. Check this book out. So cool, Fish for You. Love you guys.